respected organizing committee and the evaluators for the competition. Myself Shailendra Suryanshi from KL College of Pharmacy, Belagavi, presenting molecular targets for the rational design and identification of drugs to inhibit COVID-19. Coming towards the abstract, we know that the COVID-19 is a major source of disaster in the 21st century, and hence the treatment and prevention of this drug is a very important. Identification of the drugs and the rational design of the compound play a very important role, and in order to find out these compounds and the rational design of the drugs, the identification of the targets or the molecular targets inside the COVID-19 is a very important. We have conducted the systematic review through several databases which includes the PubMed, Google Scholars, Scopus, Elsewhere and Web of Science, and we have found out very important 7 targets to inhibit the COVID-19. Also, we have carried out the molecular docking studies by using nelfinavir as a standard antiviral drug and by using the epigenin and rutin as a plant-based medicines as a ligand to target against the main protease of this COVID-19. And the results showed that the selected ligand showed the better result against the COVID-19 treatment. Coming towards the introduction, as we know that the novel coronavirus 2019 is a major disaster and it is originated from this China. Currently, no specific therapies for COVID-19 are available and the investigations regarding the treatment of COVID-19 is lacking. Hence, the identification of this molecular target play a very important role. We have presented the structure of this COVID-19 in the figure. Coming towards the methodology, we have used the Pyrax Discovery Studio 19 as a software. We have investigated some ligand molecules which includes nelfinavir, rutin and the epigenin, and in order to find out the methodology, we have searched the targets by using the different databases which includes the PubMed, Google Scholars, Scopus, Elsewhere and the Web of Science. Protease enzyme was docked with nelfinavir, epigenin and rutin using the Pyrax.8 and the docking was analyzed by using the Pyrax and the BioVia Discovery Studio. Coming towards the results and discussion, we have found out several targets in the COVID-19 which includes the protease enzyme, nucleic acid, envelope protein, spike protein, hemagglutinin, helicase and the membrane protein. And the molecular docking results showed that in nelfinavir the binding energy was found to be minus 8.3, whereas the rutin was found to be minus 9.0 and the epigenin showed the minus 7.8. The epigenin and rutin are the ligand molecules which showed the comparable negative binding energy as that of the standard antiviral drug, and from this study we can conclude that the COVID-19 is a major disaster and the treatment is important. Drug targets play an important role in the drug development against the COVID. Protease targets showed the better result against the most of the drugs, and these are the bibliographic references. Thank you one and all.